Facebook FB shares dove Monday as chief executive Mark Zuckerberg revealed plans late Friday to nix the creation of a new class of shares and to also sell the big chunk of stock. Zutter play on off Zuckerberg, in a Facebook blog post after the markets closed Friday, said he would abandon plans to create a new class of company stock with no voting power. The plan, announced last year, was designed to allow Zuckerberg to retain control over the company while fulfilling a pledge to ultimately give away his wealth for philanthropic reasons. As part of that plan, a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission late Friday said that Zuckerberg anticipates selling 35 million to 75 million shares of Facebook stock over approximately 18 months in order to fund the philanthropic initiatives of Mr. Zuckerberg and his wife, Priscilla Chan, in education, science and advocacy. Facebook shares were down 3.6%, near 164.50, during morning trading in the stock market today. The major market indexes were lower early Monday, but the tech-heavy Nasdaq drastically lagged. The plan to nix the new class of stock was seen as a positive. Zuckerberg was under heavy investor pressure to abandon the plan, including a shareholder lawsuit that Facebook reportedly settled. The creation of a new class of non-voting shares is common among big technology companies, but is frowned upon by investors as it's considered poor corporate governance or not aligned with the economic interests of shareholders. It has no place in large public companies in which anyone can invest, wrote Edison investment research analyst Richard Windsor in a blog post Monday. We have long believed that this imbalance gives rise to bad corporate governance and unfair treatment of minority investors. IBDs read IBD's The Big Picture column each day to stay on top of the market direction, a key indicator that lets you know when you can be aggressive and when you should move to the sidelines. Zuckerberg on Friday said the rise in Facebook stock over the past 18 months is the reason for the change. Facebook stock is up 45% over the time period. Over the past year and a half, Facebook's business has performed well, and the value of our stock has grown to the point that I can fully fund our philanthropy and retain voting control of Facebook for 20 years or more, Zuckerberg wrote. As a result, I've asked our board to withdraw the proposal to reclassify our stock, and the board has agreed. Zuckerberg says he and spouse Priscilla Chan still plan to give away 99% of their Facebook shares during our lives. Related FANG stock is at a make-or-break moment. Here's why.